Why buy a new motorhome when you can save tens of thousands on this gently used 2023? This is an Entegra Qwest and has about 15,000 miles on it. This is Dave from Advanced Camping. We're going to check this thing out. It has got full body paint. It has a huge slide out. And with that full body paint, it comes with paint protection film. Not sure if you can see it on the hood here, but it's a clear coating or covering that protects for paint chips. Really something that will last you a long time, this beautiful paint and the film over the top of the critical areas. Got nice storage areas on the side, a power awning. You've got the slide topper awning on the other side. Outside speakers so you can enjoy some tunes while you're relaxing outside. Power step. It has hydraulic leveling jacks. This is the Bigfoot system here. Semi-automatic, super easy to use. Built on the Mercedes chassis. It's a diesel, 3-liter diesel. Really a great platform, about 25 feet long. So it's easy to drive, easy to maneuver, gets reasonably good fuel mileage, and is easy to service. So you've got MBUK system built in. These two seats will swivel, a spot for a table there. You've got availability for sleeping up top for two. And check this power shade out. With the touch of a button, you can put the sun visor up or down. That's pretty cool. And you've got seating for 4 at the dinette, 2 additional seat belts, and it appears to have the latch anchoring system if you're bringing along a child in a child's seat. Nice cabinetry up top, great window. Across from there, you're gonna find a huge kitchen space, solid surface countertops, and you've got tons of pull-out drawers. You've got a built-in 2-burner stove, some nice accent lighting to the side, of course a flat screen TV, ducted air conditioning, and check out this Murphy bed back here. Comfortable sofa, so if you want to watch TV in the evening, you can. And then when it comes time to sleep, you'll just throw these 2 cushions to the side and watch this. It's a put the key in, press the button, and the Murphy bed will come right out of the wall. And you've got just one little head cushion to put in place, and your bed is made. Now it appears to me that you can leave your bedding right on this convertible bed, and makes for really a breeze for setting up bed at night. Nice large Norcold refrigerator, more storage space. A beautiful bathroom with a shower stall, very practical. Skylight in here, vent fan in here. Window, not opening, but just a regular glass window. You've got a huge storage space for closet, and that's where your bunk ladder stores. Really an outstanding layout, outstanding vehicle. Going to make someone a really, really nice camper. If you have questions on this, give us a call at Advanced Camping. We're happy to help.